Welcome to the Picture Framing Design Series. Chapter 1, Value. When customers bring items to the shop for framing, we often ask, what's the value of this? Naturally, they think we're asking about value in terms of money, but there are several different kinds of value. Monetary value comes to mind first, of course, and it's about price or appraised value. That can be clearly established, and it's important when an item is bought or sold. Personal value is about sentimental significance. It may have nothing to do with money, and it's not so easily established, but usually it's much more important than monetary value. Cultural or historic value is about significance to some group or community. This applies to the artifacts often found in a museum or historical society. Another kind of value is what I call comparative value, a personal opinion of value compared to price. It's a measure of what we get for what we pay, and it's part of every transaction. Images and objects representing the people, places, and events that we consider important, that we want to think about and remember, have high personal value. And these are the things we want to display on our walls. It's been like that for thousands of years, as evidenced by ancient cave paintings. But our wants and needs, our tastes and technologies have evolved. Because of personal value, we develop emotional attachments to the framed things we display on our walls. It's true. We buy new furniture and draperies and paint the walls, and we may move from time to time, but we take our framed things with us, right? Why do we do that? Well, maybe it's because even though we want to look at new curtains, we still want to look at that precious old picture of Aunt Ethel and Uncle George at the family picnic so many years ago. Not to mention those snapshots of our kids taking their first steps, or hitting the first home run, or getting a college diploma. These things are important to us. They have great personal value, and it grows over time. Adults visiting the homes of their parents or grandparents can usually find framed things that were hanging on those walls in their childhood. If you want to know what's important to someone, just look at what's displayed on their walls. It could be family heritage or sports memorabilia, military honors, hobby collections, music, or maybe even antique samplers. Whatever a person values, it's probably well represented by the framed things on their walls. When someone says custom framing is expensive, I ask, compared to what? A couple of concert tickets or dinner for two at a fancy restaurant might cost more than a custom framing project. But the framing is an investment in what we like, and it could last a lifetime. Our grandchildren might get to enjoy today's custom framing. The truth is, custom framing can be designed and built to fit most budgets, and at every price point, we get what we pay for. It's important to understand what represents value in everything we buy, but most people don't buy custom framing often enough to know about the features that are available or the benefits they provide. That's why it's important to talk with a custom framing professional. A trained, experienced framer can explain all the features and their benefits, helping you make informed decisions about the best framing for whatever you want to display. The main thing is that you take home beautiful custom framing of value to you, so you can enjoy it for many years to come. And that's not about price, it's about value, getting the most for your money and the best for your walls.